Hi there, this is Daniel with In Time Country Living, and in this video I'm just out testing my new Canon R7 to do some video recording and seeing what the video looks like in 4K. So a lot of fun to try out a new camera and learn all the new settings, so see how the image stabilization also works as I am walking and talking. So let's head over and look at the sheep and see how the sheep are doing. Looks like they've all kind of run away. Going through my compost pile here. The compost is still nice and warm and doing well. And out here by the sheep. And there's the sheep out there enjoying the nicely cut field here. Grass is just long enough for them to easily eat. And there's a bunch of them over there, a bunch over there by the tree, though the tree isn't providing a lot of shade. All the way down the hill there. Alright, so let's go check out the garden out here and see how the tomatoes are doing. Here we go. Here's all the tomatoes. These are the paste tomatoes here. These are Nepali. Coming along nicely. And there's another variety here, more of a round tomato. These are a little bit more of a beefsteak one. These look like the Nepali ones again. There's a nice red one there. Coming on nicely. There's a couple of red ones down there. There's one that's starting to turn. And these look like the Nepali ones again, or some other type of paste tomato. So that's really neat. I'm glad they're doing well. We got a few peppers that are coming on here. Some gypsy ones and some golden California ones. Some more gypsy. So I have two varieties there. So it's exciting that they're doing well. We got some beefsteak ones here. I'm not sure the variety on these, but it looks like it's doing nicely. And a nice big one out here on the end that is still green. So that is my tomato patch this year. Happy they're looking healthy, most of them. Probably about time to do some watering again. Let's check the soil. Let's see what we got here. Yes, it's not too bad right here. Right around the roots. Have a nice leaf mulch on here, so happy about that. Still about 80 degrees out right now as the sun is starting to set, and so nice and not terribly cool, but definitely out of the sun, so that makes it feel a lot cooler. And a slight breeze, not too bad around here. Let's see how the apples are doing over here. So we've got the Red Delicious here, which still looks like it needs some thinning. So this is the Red Delicious apple tree. They're starting to get about half size so far. Still got another month or so or month and a half before they'll be ripe. And we have the mainly Gravenstein over here, the few Jonagolds. And they're about ready to be harvested here in another week or so. I think I saw one was dropped on the ground over there already, so letting me know some of them are going to start getting ripe. This one's got some blush on it, so it won't be long before those will be ripe. Still have some in the cooling shed there. Some there. Take a look over around this side of it. It's like the deer have been removing a lot of the foliage around here, so I don't appreciate that, but they didn't lose too many apples. Some nice ones there. There's a nice big one there. Some nice ones up around there. And some in there. So here is one of the first apples to fall here. Looking good. I'll have to take this in and try it out. Hopefully it's not too sour. And then I did see one more over here. It's a little yellow. Yeah, doesn't look too good, but we'll take those in and give them a try here. Alright, well, thanks for watching my first video here. A lot of fun to do. Take a little bit of a tour of the yard and what's growing around here. So now the breeze is picking up a little bit, and so I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.